Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to find out how to use user roles without paid features in Adalo free plan. The link to Adalo will be in the description, so make sure to check it out. First, open your browser and go to the Adalo website. Once the page loads, log into your Adalo account. After logging in, open the app where you want to set user roles. Now click on the Database tab from the top menu. Open the users collection in your database. Click on Add field and create a text or true-false field called role. Set role values like admin or user manually or through sign-up actions. Now go back to the Screens section. Select the screen or component you want to control by role. Open the visibility settings on the right side. Add a rule where role equals admin or the required value. This will show or hide content based on the user role. Repeat this for other screens or components if needed. Use Preview to test different user roles. Once that's done, user roles are working without paid features. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to share and subscribe. See you in the next one.